Hey everyone, I thought I'd take some time today to make a quick video about all the upgrades and modifications I've made to my 24 Toyota Tundra TRD off-road. I'll do my best to keep it short and to the point, but let's get started. So I went with the CBI bumpers. I liked them just simply because I liked how they looked on the trucks, and they're all steel. I didn't want to go aluminum. This had a real nice look to it, and it also had a couple of places for lights. It's got the 30-inch light bar up front, and I got a couple of different Baja lights on the side, and it's also got the winch mount option. So I got the Warren winch. Just the same winch that was recommended by the website, so I knew it would fit in here and I knew it would be plenty capable for the truck. Got the Baja design 30-inch what was it, the driving combo light, but this is just white, no amber. For the amber I went with the Baja design Squadron Sport, and then the S2 Pros. Those are also the drive light combo. Great visibility. I like having either the amber on or the light bar. They just give completely different looks on the trail. It's nice at night, plenty of visibility. All in all, great bumper and a great setup. If you come along here to the side, I went with Method bead grip rims. They're 17-inch, zero offset, and they're wrapped in 35-inch Toyo open country RT tires. I've been airing down to about 17 when just cruising on the trails. It's great, comfortable ride. And for rock sliders, I went with the Westcott design. I just really liked how they looked. But yeah, these are great. They have the kick out, very sturdy. So we're going to come around here to the back of the truck. We got the CBI classic rear bumper. Fits on beautifully. I like how it looks. Great design. Had a couple of cutouts for lights. Has a nice little side step cut out on both sides. And one thing that most bumpers didn't offer when I was doing all the research is offer this section that comes all the way up to the tire. Most of them were just all the way back to the bumper, and there was all this plastic that came down that was still exposed. I was not a fan. I went with the S2 Sport rear backup kit. Quite nice, very bright, great for backing up down dark trails. And if you see these points here, these little plates on the side, you can pop those off and add an optional arm, and it's the type that swings out and you can put your spare tire on there. I didn't want those because I wanted to be able to use my tailgate. The 35-inch spare tire fits underneath, no problem. Haven't had any issues yet. If I go over any particularly rough terrain and I'm worried I'm going to bottom out and ruin my spare tire, I'll just throw it in the bed of the truck. No need to put it on the back and block the tailgate, in my opinion. But you can have an arm on either side. It'll hold a spare tire or some type of equipment rack. Very versatile, lots of options. This is just the other side. Like I said, Westcott design rock sliders, very tough, very durable. The Method wheels, and then I got the King 3.0 shocks and suspension setup. It's kind of hard to see back there. It's the King 3.0s with the little reservoir. And then with the built right upper control arm and bump stop. And just a small disclaimer, everything that I bought for the truck I just researched online. Nothing has been sponsored. Nobody's paying me to plug their equipment or products. I just liked either how it looked or what the reviews were and went with my best guess in building an off-road truck. So as far as Under Armour goes, I went with RCI. They had the most complete package. As you can see here, I got the front skid plate along with the transfer or transmission skid plate, and on the side there I got the catalytic converter guards. I also have the gas tank skid plate there on the left. Coming up is the rear differential skid plate. All of those are RCI. So I decided to go with steel for a couple of reasons. I knew it'd be more expensive and I knew it'd be a lot heavier on the truck, but I wanted durability. I wanted something that could take a beating. With aluminum, sure, it serves its purpose, but you'd have to replace it after a while because it just gets completely demolished. With steel, that's not so much the case. So steel bumpers, steel rock sliders, of course, steel skid plates. In my opinion, that's the way to go. But by all means, I could be completely wrong because I'm totally new to this entire off-road thing. So we got the ARB twin air compressor. This thing is great. I air up all 4 tires from 17 psi to 40 psi, no problem. I use the more flat kit. It's a great kit, 4 hoses, reaches all the 4 tires, no problem. Hooks up to the compressor. It is a bit noisy, but you know, it's a compressor. Right there, tucked out of the way, easy access, and very durable, very reliable. I haven't had any issues with it, and I've used it quite often. Okay, so with the S-Pod, you have different options. You can set up each button to work individually. You can set them up as pairs, pair all of them together. You can also, change the color scheme and the intensity of the backlight and all those kind of things. It's really has a lot of options for you. You can control it with your phone or by the physical control screen inside the cab. Mine's mounted where the sunglass holder used to be. Completely useless space now has a nice purpose. So you got the light bar, you got the Squadron, and you got the S2s. You can turn them all on together, you can turn them all off at the same time. You just go pick 2 of them, one of them, use them in any combo you want. It's really a fun tool. Lots of customization, availability, and options. Its main feature is that it's very convenient. Everything's controlled in the same place, and I really like it. It's a great product. As far as the work done on the truck,
everything just kind of happened as it came in. I bought the rims like as soon as I bought the truck, like that first week. Just threw those on with the same size 33s that the truck came with. Um, the rock sliders came in. I had those done at a local shop, 4-wheel parts. They just knocked them out in an afternoon. I did the skid plates myself in the garage with my grandpa as they came in. And then everything else was done at San Diego Truck Shop. They did really good work. They did like all the lights, the bumpers, the suspension, the shock. Like they just did all the custom work. They helped me with deciding on where to get the compressor. Helped me decide on the mount for the S-Pod. It all just turned out really nice. I like how the truck rides. I like how it looks. If you need any work done, I really recommend checking them out. San Diego Truck Shop. They do amazing work on off-road vehicles, but they work on anything Toyota and Lexus and Scion. Hit them up if you need work done.
It's 4th of July, so here's a little clip of the fireworks in San Diego County before I show you how the lights look after dark. So that's about it. So that's everything I've done with the truck so far. I'm still going to add a light bar on the roof, help with some illumination. I haven't decided what type of bed rack system I'm going to get yet, but I'm definitely going to get one of those. Other than that, I don't see a whole lot in upgrades that I still need. Just a few lights and stuff like that. But yeah, let me know what you think. What you would have done different, what you would add, and suggest some nice trails I should go try out. But yeah, thanks for watching.